Good day, everyone. Today I'll be teaching you how to generate a proper prompt in editing your photos, your graphics. So if your picture is blurring, that you're not seeing your picture very well, you can transform a picture like this to a picture like this by using the prompt I'm going to drop after the end of this teaching. I'm going to guide you on how to how to use the prompt properly without having any issue. So follow me, join me, like, share, and follow for more of this kind of video. Thank you. As you watch the tutorial on how to do it. Okay, on today we'll be looking at how to edit your photos, how to generate prompts. Then you're going to use either Chat GPT or Gemini. Two of them, you use the one that you like the most. Let me use Snapchat. Let me use Gemini. So you understand it better. Let me use Gemini. So these prompts, I'm going to paste it. Make sure you follow me for more videos. I'm going to see this prompt on my comment section. Then when you open, then you select the photo. You paste the prompt. See, it's creating, it's generating. Give it time to generate. See, it's creating image, as you can see. Give it time. See it. Image is almost, see it now. See, there's different now, as you can see. The other one is more blurry. But if you check this picture now, it shows, we bring our face out. Let me show you the difference now. And again, in my next video, I will teach you how to remove. In this video, I will also teach you how to remove this Gemini logo. This one you are seeing on the floor here. This one. I'll teach you how to remove it in my next video. So see it, as you can see it. Now, see the previous one. See it, it's so dark. See it, it's so blurry. You can't see the face. Now see this second one now. Now the face is visible. You can see it. See it. So in case you want your photo to be sharp, to be okay, you can use this prompt. This particular prompt you are seeing now. This prompt you are seeing now. You can use this prompt now to generate this kind of picture. Follow me for the next video I'm going to drop in my next episode. Then after then, you save the video by clicking save. Then in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to remove this Gemini logo that you are seeing here. In anywhere you see that Gemini logo, in my next video, I'm going to teach you people how to do it. Thank you for watching. God bless you.